ChatGPT yet? Having launched by OpenAI just a few weeks ago on November 30th, 2022, ChatGPT has already amassed over 1 million users in just 5 days and beating records set by Netflix, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. It's clear that ChatGPT is the cool new kid. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses a language model called GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, to generate responses to user inputs. It's a tool that can be used to generate ideas, content, or responses to questions. ChatGPT is not a real person and is not capable of thinking or understanding in the same way that a human does. It is simply a tool that can generate responses based on the information it has been trained on. ChatGPT is typically used as a tool for generating ideas or content and is not designed to provide accurate or reliable information. It is important to review the output carefully and make edits as needed to ensure that the content is accurate, clear, and compelling. It is also important to do your own research and fact-checking to ensure that the information you use is accurate and up to date. How can ChatGPT help you? ChatGPT can be used to generate ideas, content, or responses to questions. Depending on your needs, ChatGPT may be able to help you in a variety of ways. Some potential uses for ChatGPT include generating ideas. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas for projects, products, or content. Simply input a prompt or question related to the topic you're interested in, and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential ideas based on the information it has been trained on. Writing content. ChatGPT can help you write content by generating responses to prompts or questions related to the topic you want to write about. This can be particularly useful for tasks such as product descriptions, blog posts, or social media posts. Answering questions. ChatGPT can help you find answers to specific questions by generating responses based on the information it has been trained on. Keep in mind, however, that ChatGPT is a tool, and its responses may not always be accurate or reliable. It's important to do your own research and fact-checking to ensure that the information you use is accurate and up to date. It's important to note that ChatGPT is a tool, and its responses will not always be perfect or relevant. You will need to review the output carefully and make edits as needed to ensure that the content is accurate, clear, and compelling. Additionally, you should consider the specific needs and goals of your project or business when using ChatGPT and tailor your use of the tool accordingly. How can ChatGPT help you with copywriting? To use ChatGPT for copywriting, you can input prompts or questions related to the topic you want to write about, and ChatGPT will generate responses based on the information it has been trained on. For example, if you're writing copy for a product page, you could input a prompt such as, "Describe the features and benefits of our new product," and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential product features and benefits based on the information it has been trained on. It's important to note that ChatGPT is a tool, and its responses will not always be perfect or relevant. You will need to review the output carefully and make edits as needed to ensure that the copy is accurate, clear, and compelling. Additionally, it's always a good idea to do your own research and fact-checking to ensure that the information you include in your copy is accurate and up to date. How does ChatGPT help you promote your business? You could use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm and write social media posts, blog posts, or email campaigns that could help you promote your business or products. You could also use ChatGPT to generate ideas for new products or services that you could offer to your customers. How can ChatGPT help me write Google Ads? ChatGPT is not a tool specifically designed for creating or managing Google Ads campaigns. However, you may be able to use it to generate ideas or content for your Google Ads campaigns. To use ChatGPT for Google Ads, you can input prompts or questions related to the type of ad you want to create, and ChatGPT will generate responses based on the information it has been trained on. For example, you could input a prompt such as, "Write a compelling headline for a Google Ads campaign promoting our new product," and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential headlines based on the information it has been trained on. Again, it's important to note that ChatGPT is a tool, and its responses will not always be perfect or relevant. You will need to review the output carefully and make edits as needed to ensure that the content is accurate, clear, and compelling. Additionally, you should consider the target audience for your business and tailor your Google Ads campaigns to appeal to them. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a Google Ad headline and see how well it works. We'll ask ChatGPT to write a compelling headline for a Google Ads campaign promoting Fiverr. Here's the response. Get the professional services you need on Fiverr starting at just $5. Find top-rated freelancers on Fiverr. the world's largest online marketplace for creative and professional services. Unleash your business's full potential with Fiverr, the one-stop shop for all your professional needs. Transform your business with Fiverr, the marketplace for expert freelancers and professional services. Get the skills and services you need to succeed on Fiverr, the world's largest freelancing and outsourcing platform. It's important to note that these are just a few examples of potential headlines, and the most effective headline will depend on the specific goals and target audience of your Google Ads campaign. You should also consider testing different headlines to see which ones perform the best for your business. Let's try another. We'll ask ChatGPT why you should subscribe to the Side Hustler YouTube channel. Here's why ChatGPT says you should subscribe, and we think you should too. There are many potential reasons why people might want to subscribe to the Side Hustler YouTube channel. Some potential benefits of subscribing to the Side Hustler YouTube channel might include access to valuable content. The Side Hustler YouTube channel likely offers a variety of informative and entertaining content related to entrepreneurship, side hustles, and other topics that may be of interest to viewers. By subscribing to the channel, viewers can easily access and stay up to date on new content as it is released. Opportunity to learn and grow. The Side Hustler YouTube channel may offer educational resources and practical advice that can help viewers learn new skills and grow their businesses or side hustles. Connection to a community. By subscribing to the Side Hustler YouTube channel, viewers can become part of a community of like-minded individuals who are interested in entrepreneurship and side hustles. This can provide a sense of connection and support, and may offer opportunities for networking and collaboration. Support for the channel and its creators. Subscribing to a YouTube channel helps to support the creators and helps them to continue creating content. By subscribing to the Side Hustler YouTube channel, viewers can show their support and help to ensure that the channel continues to produce valuable content. There are several limitations to ChatGPT that users should be aware of. 1. ChatGPT is not capable of understanding or thinking in the same way that a human does. It's simply a tool that's able to generate responses based on the information it has been trained on. 2. ChatGPT is not designed to provide accurate or reliable information. It's important to review the output carefully and make edits as needed to ensure that the content is accurate, clear, and compelling. Additionally, it's always a good idea to do your own research and fact-checking to ensure that the information you use is accurate and up-to-date. 3. ChatGPT may not always generate responses that are relevant or appropriate for the task or context. It's important to carefully review the output and make edits as needed to ensure that the content is clear and appropriate. 4. ChatGPT may not always generate responses that are free of errors or typos. It's important to carefully review the output and make edits as needed to ensure that the content is free of errors and typos. 5. ChatGPT may not always generate responses that are coherent or well-written. It's important to carefully review the output and make edits as needed to ensure that the content is clear and well-written. So, will ChatGPT help you with your business or side hustle, or will it be a problem? How will you use ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments. We at Side Hustler are excited about what's possible. After all, we use ChatGPT to write 98% of the script for this video. Now check out this other video, where we use ChatGPT 100% to write a YouTube tutorial on how to use the tool.